Hello, I'm Emma Buckley. I'm a nutritionist. We all know that fruits and vegetables are good for us. Scientists have proven over and over again how important they are for our health. We're supposed to eat at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables every day, but very few of us manage to do this, so we supplement to fill the gap. This is Juice Plus, the essence of 26 fruits, vegetables and berries in capsule form. And what separates Juice Plus from other nutritional supplements is the extensive and growing body of scientific research behind it. Science has proven that Juice Plus has a positive impact on many markers of health at a cellular level. We know that Juice Plus is bioavailable, meaning that the body absorbs and uses the nutrients. It has a positive impact on reducing oxidative stress, maintaining DNA integrity, cardiovascular wellness, and many other markers. There are over 20 independent, peer-reviewed studies proving just this. Juice Plus is my safety net. It's how I ensure myself and my whole family get top quality nutrition each and every day. The wonderful thing is it's never too late to make a positive change for your health. Juice Plus can help you with this task. It's well worth it.